New York is a city that never resists. It's a place where people relentlessly pursue their dreams and never give up. In this thriving hub, innovations and new ideas flourishing amidst the bustling streets. The iconic skylines and drives neighborhoods define the city, offering a mosaic of opportunities and creativity. If you are ever dreamed of launching a small business and achieving success in the vibrant heart of New York City, you are in the right place. We have quoted the top 5 best small business ideas tailored for the city that never sleeps. Number 1. Mobile repair shop. Imagine a world where shattered phone screens are no longer a worry. Establishing a mobile repair shop in New York holds immense potentials beyond fixing gadgets. You should be providing a vital services that continuously in demand. By offering promote services and exceptional customer care, you can quick build a loyal customer base. This business doesn't just mend devices, it mends relationships and enhance productivity. Number 2. Car wash shop. Amidst the urban hustles, a car wash shop can stand out by offering top-notch cleaning and eco-friendly solutions. Providing through interior cleaning and convenient on-location services caters to car enthusiasts and busy individuals alike. Your venture could exemplify a commitment to both cleanliness and greener environment. Number 3. Coding Bootcamp. With the technology sector booming, launching a coding bootcamp could bridge the gap between aspirations and opportunity. New York burgeoning tech scenes is always hungry for skilled professionals. By offering coding classes, seminars and mentoring, you should play a vital role in nurturing the next generation tech leaders. Number 4. AI and machine learning solutions. The city industries are continuously seeking innovations ways to enhance process using AI and machine learning. You continuously could be at the forefront of driving changes across various sectors by providing initiates and predictivity analytics. Your expertise meet shape the future of the business in the city. Number 5. Photography services. New York is the canvas of life, breathtaking movements waiting to be captured. Launching a photography business goes beyond taking pictures. It's about immortalizations, memories and viewing visual narratives, whether it's events, portraits, or aesthetic creations. Photography can turn your passion into a thriving venture. If these ideas resonate with you and you are hungry for more insightful content across different life domains, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Here's a chasing dreams, seizing opportunities and thriving in the energetic spirit of New York City.